How to make donuts. First add 2 cups Maida, all-purpose flour. Take caster sugar or grind sugar. Add salt as per taste. Now add 3 tablespoons caster sugar. Add powdered milk to 3 tablespoons. Add 1 egg. Add 2 tablespoons butter. Add yeast, about 1½ tablespoons. Mix it and make a dough of it. Cover it and wait for 1 hour to rise. After 1 hour, it will look like this. Sprinkle the flour. Bring the dough to this texture. Now shape the donuts. And leave the donuts for 10 minutes. Fry them. Enjoy these delicious donuts!